Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be showing you all how to detox your hair with Bentonite Clay mask. But first of all, I'm going to make my rinse out tea with apple cider vinegar and water. So I have to use this to rinse my hair first. So this is my Bentonite Clay. So I'm going to do a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar. So this is it now. I'm going to add 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar into my water. So I'm going to put this mixture in an empty shampoo bottle for easy dispensation. So I'm use this mixture to rinse my hair first before I apply the hair mask on my hair. So now I've done that. I'm just going to start the mixture of the bentonite clay. Here's my bentonite clay. I'm going to take some amount of the powder. I'll scoop some amount into my glass dish. Do not mix this clay with melter, as that would reduce the effectiveness of the bentonite clay. Then I take my apple cider vinegar, add some few spoons of it, then also add water to this mixture. Then I begin to mix. I added a little more, added more, till I get that paste of the mask that I want. So I'm just going to be mixing this. I was just trying to add more water to make sure it's properly mixed so that it does not have lumps. So, and that's how it go, and it's going. So this is how it goes now. A little more mix, and voila, here we go. We have a good paste of the mask. So here it is. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, now we're just going to head right back to the bathroom to go rinse my hair with the mixture we made first, which is the ACV mixing water. Don't forget, that was the first mixture. So now I just have to loosen up my hair and do the washing. Yes, so this is the mixture we did earlier, and I'm just going to rinse my hair with that first. Use it to rinse my hair before I start applying the hair mask, the bentonite clay mask. I'm done. I'm actually done with this. I'm done rinsing my hair with this. Oh, my shrinkage. Damn. So at this point, I'm thinking, this shrinkage is real. Now. Okay, let's get to the mask. Here it is. Now I'm just gonna mix it and start up with the application from my scalp to my hair. So I'm just gonna do this now. So just watch how I apply this on my scalp and on my hair. So I'm gonna mask the whole of my hair with this bentonite clay mask. So here we go. So just watch and enjoy the rest of the video how I do this.
You speak your mind, but it's better when your body talks. Come here, boy, don't close your eyes. I'll show you heaven when my clothes come on. Push you closer to the bed, pull your shirt above your head. Keep it casual like we said it'd be. 'Cause you're thinking way too much. We're just doing this for fun, and you fall in love too easily. I don't love you, I just want your body.
So at this point, I'm done applying it on every part of my hair. So I'm just gonna use the remaining marks to max my face. It's actually good for detoxifying the face, getting rid of excess oils, pimples, and the rest of it. So it's actually nice. I'm going to just detox my face, just max my face with the remaining one. So I just enjoy doing this. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just being a little bit playful.
It's just a waste of time, and I got too many things to do. So convince me with your lips, slide my dress over my hips, show me you can give me what I need. Cause you're thinking way too much, we're just doing this for fun, and you're falling way too quick for me. I don't love you, I just want your body. I don't need.
So at this point, I'm thinking, where did my kids put my shower cap? Oh, I'll just use the plastic bag. A plastic bag would do, and I'm going to cover my hair for the next 30 minutes. I'll allow the max to detoxify my scalp, and I'm counting time. I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes. And that's will be it. I'll wait for 30 minutes. I'm actually counting at this point. Okay, yeah, I was counting. So, and 30 minutes was done. Voila, and I'm back. You can see, my face has already dried up from the mask. And whoa, you don't need to have it for too long so that it doesn't, you know, dries up on your hair. So you can still see it's moisturized on my scalp. So at this point, I'm going to do the rinse out. I'm going to wash my face. I'm rinse it out from my hair at this point.
Start giving it up, cause I don't love you, I just want your body.
And at this point, I'm done rinsing off the mask from my face and my hair. And yeah guys, that was how I did my scalp detox using Bentonite Clay. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.